You step on the gas in your Chevy Malibu 1.5-liter turbo, and the engine violently stutters or misfires. This hesitation under heavy acceleration is terrifying and can lead to a flashing check engine light. You might think the entire turbocharger is blown, but the real issue is happening inside the combustion chamber. Small displacement turbocharged engines are incredibly susceptible to a phenomenon called low-speed pre-ignition. This is completely different from a standard engine knock. It happens when droplets of engine oil and unburned fuel mix together and prematurely explode before the spark plug even fires. This premature explosion creates a massive and destructive pressure spike inside the engine cylinder. Over time, these violent pressure waves will destroy the ceramic insulators on your spark plugs. In severe cases, the force is strong enough to completely crack a factory piston. The first step to fixing this misfire is pulling your ignition coils and inspecting the spark plugs. You will likely find the tips are covered in thick black carbon or the ceramic is physically broken. You must replace all 4 spark plugs with brand new original equipment manufacturer iridium plugs. Simply changing the spark plugs is not a permanent solution to this problem. The root cause of low-speed pre-ignition is heavily linked to the specific chemical makeup of your engine oil. Using standard conventional oil or the wrong synthetic blend will guarantee the misfire returns. General Motors specifically reformulated their engine oil standards to combat this exact turbocharger issue. You must completely drain your old oil and switch exclusively to a Dexos 1 Generation 2 or Generation 3 full synthetic oil. This specific oil formula prevents the explosive chemical reaction from happening inside the cylinder. Install a brand new high-quality oil filter along with the updated synthetic oil. Be incredibly careful not to overfill the crankcase, as excess oil can easily get pushed back into the intake system through the positive crankcase ventilation valve. Check the dipstick to ensure the level is perfect. Once the new iridium spark plugs are torqued down and the correct Dexos oil is circulating, the engine will run smoothly again. You can confidently accelerate up to highway speeds without feeling any dangerous hesitation or stuttering from your turbo engine.